Hey babies, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly and today's video is going to be all about nails. Yeah baby, you got them, I got them. We are going to hook them up because wait till you see what I received in the mail and it's going to make our life hopefully so much easier. So stick around, grab a snack, grab a drink, chill, check out the video. So, you guys know I am obsessed with nails. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I constantly have different nails. I constantly change them. And I am a little bit obsessed with having matching nails and pretty nails and all that stuff. You know, the whole girly thing, everything. But anyway, the one thing I despise is going to the nail salon, believe it or not. I do not like sitting there for hours and sitting there and then walking out and your nails look fabulous. But then 15 minutes later, bam, chipping your nail. Chipping your nail polish and there you go. You know, so much for that. Wasted time and your nails look crappy again. So, there is a solution, I hope. This came in the mail. It's from a company called Color Street and they sent me this huge box. And the box has these nail strips in it. Let me show you guys. These are nail strips and they come in all kinds of different varieties. They have glitter nails, they have solid color nails, French manicured nails. I have to say, I'm going to try to apply these and if they are terrible, then I am going to let you guys know. Regardless of, you know, the free stuff you get when you are out there in social media land, I tell it like it is and I like to be honest with you guys. So I always tell you guys like, you know, the truth. So if these suck, I'm going to let you guys know. If these rock, I'm going to let you guys know too. So having said that, let me tell you guys a little bit about these strips, okay? So they are 100% nail polish. So it's nail polish that you're actually sticking onto your nail. Okay, it has a base coat, the nail polish, and a top coat all worked into that nail strip. So that means you don't have to go ahead and apply 10 million layers to your nail because it's all combined into these strips. Now, to me, that sounds fabulous, but we got to see if it works first. They last up to 10 days. Yes, 10 days, people. So that's fabulous as it is. There's no drying time. They don't have to dry. They're instantly dry already. They're easy to apply, which remains to be seen. So keep watching. You can remove them with any nail polish remover. Salon quality at half the cost and a flawless application with no appointment needed. So we are going to see if these actually work, okay? Let's put them to the test. Are you ready? I am. Let's go do this. For this tutorial, I've picked these glittery nail strips and I'm opening the package to show you guys what's inside. We've got the glittery nail strips. There's also an emery board and a nail prep pad, which I'm going to use right away to clean my nails so they're ready to receive the strips. There's a whole bunch of nails in here, plenty to choose from, all different sizes. And I'm about to try to pick the right size for one of my nails here. I remove the film cover that's protecting the nail strip. And then I just peel it off and stick it onto my nail. Once it's on securely, I'm gonna get the emery board and just file off the excess strip. And how easy was that? Blah. On to the next nail. And I'm only going to show you guys a couple of nails and then I want to fast forward the video. Same thing, I just removed the protective covering, peel off the nail strip, and stick it onto my nail. Super easy. And the strips are so thin that they really, you know, adhere to your nail and fit really nicely. Okay, so I've done a couple of nails and now I'm just going on to complete the rest of my fingers. And this is the final result. Bling bling. Stay tuned for my final review on these Color Street nail strips. So guys, my final review on these nail strips. Do you love them? Because I do. Okay, I have to admit the first 2 to 3 nails, I kind of had to get used to the whole process and I was doing it all wrong and I cut that out of the video. But honestly, I was doing it wrong. I was ripping off the wrong side of the strip and doing it all wrong because of course little old me didn't read no directions or anything. Yes, but after the 3rd nail, it was like boom, boom, boom. It went so fast. I was like, what's going on? And it's actually looking really good. So all I gotta say is this. If you want to try them, you know, the link is below this video and everything. You can check out all the strips that they have. But if you're gonna try them, I'll give you 2 tips that I noticed instantly. Make sure you choose the right nail strip size for your nail. They come in all kinds of different little sizes. Make sure you pick one that fits just right, not one that's too big, because if it's too big, it's gonna overlap your nail. Don't pick one that's too small because else you'll see your own nail peeping out underneath. Another tip, make sure that before you use the cute little emery board that it comes with, really make sure you stick the nail strip to your nail. You really want to push down on it and make sure that it's stuck, and then you can remove the excess with the emery board. Because if you don't make sure that it's stuck on there and you do this, the whole thing is gonna come off. So those are my tips for you. If I had to rate this, I would absolutely rate it a 9 out of 10. That is extremely high for me. Thank you to Color Street for sending this to me because it totally blew my mind. I had no idea that I was gonna like these this much. They actually look like real nails. They look like my own nails and they actually smell like nail polish. But I guess that's because it is nail polish, right? So anyway, guys, nothing but good things to say about this. Go check them out. Link below the video. And thank you for surprising me, Color Street. Well, that was my video for this week. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be back again next week with a brand new video for you. So make sure you come back and slam that thumbs up button if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. and I'll see you guys again next week.